like I teach now for long, but you are a good teacher, by the way. You are very, very, very good teacher. I teach now for 30 years.
Thank you, thank you.
30, 30 years I'm teaching. But you are the good teacher. Why? Because you take it step by step. You know what you want and how you deliver the message. Thank you very much. And the problem I have on Friday, I'm traveling. And I just I don't know. I don't want to miss, even a single a single minute, like from what you are saying.
Yeah,
And I don't know what to do really. I hope I can catch at least something or watch a video but watching the video not like talking to you directly because you follow up and like being in focus, not like the video. But anyway, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are doing a good job, brilliant job. I have an issue here with the coding I'm doing. I want to show you if I can share my screen. I'm not sure if this my screen can be shared. Or you just put here. I don't know if I can share screen, share, present. I have to use present. I'm not using this. I'm using Teams.
Click on the present now button, and then you can share your screen. You can find out that entire screen. Try to share the entire screen.
I think,
Click on the entire screen and then select the screen and then share.
Yeah, it's window. Yeah, let me just go to this one. Okay, can you see my screen now? This one.